Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is just a regular day, nothing special in the vlog. As it's lockdown and we can't go outside, there's nothing much to show you guys, so I haven't done any vlogs recently. So yeah, just be careful out there. And today I have something coming up from Ikea, so I'm just gonna shoot that. If you're interested, keep watching or just quit and wait for the next video to come. For now, I'm just waiting for the IKEA guy to show up and deliver the product so I can show it to you guys and assemble it in front of the camera. So I have recently moved to the new house and this is my room in the house, and it's a bit messy like always. So I have got a lot of space to put things. So I have ordered a desk from IKEA which should be here today, as I mentioned. So I'm just waiting for them to deliver it. So my plan is, it's a very big desk which comes from here till here, where you can put around 2 chairs in that. So I already got 2 chairs in my mind, which I already having. This is the chair, one of the chairs I want to put in it. And one more is downstairs. Let me go there. Watching me vlog after a long time. That's Rambo's food and water. And this is another chair I was talking about. This is my main chair, which I bought, I guess, 1-2 years ago. Just look at the design, it is so good. This is my setup for gaming, and I just bought a new game, FIFA. Let me show you guys. FIFA 2020. Sorry, why am I saying FIFA? F1 2020. Let me focus. F1 2020. So that's the plan for right now, and I'm just gonna keep playing F1 2020 till the IKEA desk is here. What's up guys, and it's one more day and it's becoming common nowadays in our channel. It's like I've been shooting like 4-5 days and combining it together to get one video. And yeah, because everyone is late, I still didn't get the IKEA table, and so I didn't shoot anything yesterday. After got vaccinated, I got rest. I took some rest and everything was fine. I did not have any effect except the left hand pain, because he got the injection there. So right now I just went out and bought a mobile phone for my mom. So I'm just gonna unbox it. Like, something is better than nothing, right? So yeah, I'll just show it to you guys and let's see. Just bought this phone. Let me open it. Let's open it up. Nice, the color is so good actually in person. I saw it in videos and was doubting a bit, but in person it is really good. Let's switch it on. First let's see the accessories. Got a charger and the C-type cable. That's it. Let's remove this satisfying cover. I'm gonna set the camera right here. Oh, it's not opening. I am not good at unboxing, as you can see. How to pull this? It's not even coming out. Oh yeah, this is the way. Oh damn. It's good, right? The color is so good actually. Let's switch it on. I ordered separately, paid extra for it, and look at the quality is damn good. IKEA never compromises for the quality. And this like extend actually. Look at this. We got 5 legs and we got a huge table which we have to unbox. So let's begin unboxing. Just look at the quality, guys. Like, Ikea never disappoints. Damn, it's totally worth the money. Just look at the finish. Look at that. And the color is just beautiful. It will go well with the white color. It is so beautiful. I just can't wait to assemble it and put it all together. Let's do that first before we do anything else. So this is the plate, guys. I have to screw this in. Like, these are like 5 of these, and I have to screw. There are already holes built in. I just have to line them up and fix the screws. That's it. Finally some progress, guys. I have completed this, and this is half done, as you can see. Some screws are outside. I'll just complete this too and be back if my hand is still there. Guys, finally I have put everything together, but here 2 screws are a bit up and I'm unable to get them inside. They're too hard and I can't. And here 1 screw. That's it. I think that's enough. Like, for the support, everything is so tight that I don't think anything can get loose. So guys, the setup is finally done. As you can see, I had lot of issues with the height adjustment, so it took a lot of time and effort, and finally we put some carpet in to make it not move around where it's not moving. For now it's like we need to close the gap between the wall so it doesn't keep moving and hit it. So it is perfect right now, and this is the setup right now. So this is the Ikea table, this is my chair, and got one more chair just for chilling out, and this is for work. So this side of the work area and this side of chill area, like reading books and studying. So this is the setup for right now, and so that is the video, guys. Hope you like it. It's not that interesting, but got to shoot something. That's the video for today, and hope you like it. Like, share and subscribe as always. Like, peace out and stay safe.